October 2009. Now we're on the way to revisit Lakatnik. This time we're going to meet the new director and a couple of members of her staff. And this time we're with members of the charity committee of the International Women's Club in Sofia. So we've got to have a little coffee break and then introduce Mari Halper, the chair, to a couple of the women here in Lakatnik. Of course, they all know Jana over the years. And as usual, the women have brought little trinkets and cosmetic stuff with them to distribute to the women here in Lakatnik. They're very happy, of course. The situation is much, much better. You will notice, for instance, that Ellie is still good for a laugh. However, they still have needs. They still have human right needs. They're lonely. Nobody visits them. Yeah, nobody visits them. You may well ask, well, why not? There are three reasons. First of all, most of these women have been abandoned by their family. Some of them from a very, very early age. They've all been more or less abandoned by Bulgarian society. But of course, probably the most important aspect is that people, adult people in social care homes are not a sexy theme. In other words, it's not an attractive theme. Nobody really wants to know. Sad, but true. Nobody really wants to know. And even though, as I say, the material needs have been more or less met over the last couple of years, particularly over the last 2 years since the EU, it's a sad visit this time. Anyway, we say goodbye, and we're on our way to have lunch with Petsy Mitkov, one of the important sponsors of Bulgarian Aid Project in the early days, and afterwards now on to the Monastery of the Seven Chapels. Marvelous opportunity to contemplate and think about what we've seen today. And then back home to Sofia, and that's the end.